Hello you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Tanya. So today we are watching Damn the Making music video. This one luckily has the English subtitles on the main channel, so this is where I'm going to watch it. I'm excited. Are you excited? So let's do it together.
Lahat ng boys talaga may idea sila. So as a director, kailangan ko ma-meet halfway kung anong gusto nila. Let's go. Ready na?
Alan Shih, that's the director.
Alam naman namin na it should be something manggagaling din sa atin na ganito yung gusto namin mangyari. It should be clear from your end and especially from our end also. So we'll do our best para ma-explain sa inyo kung ano talaga yung gusto namin na mangyari.
Okay. Tapos may fog na.
Mas feeling ko rin yung shadows. Parang mas strong yung shadows ng lahat.
Foggy siya, foggy. Challenge for me is mabuo yung gusto nilang mangyari and ma-meet talaga yung expectations nila. So during naman
He's a warrior. He's a prince. He can rescue me from a castle. I'll be waiting.
So during naman siya shoot, kahit 2 days siya, parang marami talagang scenes na kailangan i-shoot and also maraming palit ng damit, lalo na yung kay Stel, kasi dual personality siya eh.
And roll camera, music, and action, pasok yan. Baliw.
Gusto namin ipahiwating din na parang importante talaga sa amin kasi gusto namin i-risk, i-sacrifice yung mga activities namin this one.
One more.
Gaming business.
Ganoon naman kami every era. Siyempre, namin, talagang pinaghahandaan namin na tinatry namin higitan kung ano man yung mga nakaraan. Pero for this one, siguro matindi yung paniniwala namin about it. And personally ako, binibigay ko rin talaga yung mabibigay ko para siyempre mas magkaroon, kung ma-amplify pa kung ano yung dam ngayon.
They really look like pirates in this.
Itong music video na to is kakaiba sa mga dating releases nila kasi hindi to yung kakanta talaga sila. More on ano talaga to eh. Story-driven, emotion-driven din siya.
Exactly. This is why I need a good photo book. It should be even like a photo book. I feel like it's like a story, like a book with a whole story. I'm sorry, you guys. You must be tired of me talking about it already.
So basically, kung anong gusto kong emotions na ipoportray nila, nagagawa nila.
Sobrang pinag-isipan talaga lahat ng kailangan connected siya sa past releases din namin. So lahat ginawa siya with a reason. Kung i-try mo siya i-connect sa mga dating kanta namin, talagang meron siyang prequel tsaka may sequel.
Don't, drop out of a character. I like how they jump. How is it jump?
sa Dam era talaga, sa simula at wakas, mas very collaborative sila kasi talagang gusto nila pagandahin yung era na to.
Were they not collaborative before? I'm sure for every project that they do collaborate.
Siguro ako rather than nakakonect sa character na power, B-roll talaga na wala kami. So, di ba yung shots? Para mahaba kasi yung shots, di ba atras?
Yun nga yung sa part ng kanta na parang paano hihigitan yung sagad na. So very pressure talaga yun. So parang ginagalangan talaga din nila when it comes sa pagko-collaborate sa amin.
Itong creativity ng era na to, madugo, literal.
I think it's, I'm sorry guys for stopping. I think it's the collaborative, they're getting more collaborative is also with time and experience that they work together. I assume, it's my assumptions, that they just know each other so much more. So much better, they understand each other better, and as they get more experience and as they work together, they improve in working together also. So their teamwork is getting smoother and smoother, and also, of course, everything else improves. You can never stop. If you stop, you stagnate. You have to move forward. So they only going to be getting better in terms of working with each other and in terms of working with other professionals, like filming team, makeup team, choreography team, set team, everyone else.
Na dugo, pawis at away bago nabuo yung concept nito kasi madami kaming meetings at creative process para napagkasunduan na ganito yung gagawin namin. Collaboration of, syempre, with us, 1032, and a lot of people na naging ambitious kami again for this time.
Si Justin talaga yung parang sa grupo, siya talaga yung creative din talaga. So, pag siya nagsasuggest, pag siya nagbibigay ng like input niya din talaga, yung naisip ko din, mas nadadagdagan din ng flavor kasi parang nagkakaroon kami ng batuhan in a way.
So yung Dam na song itself, galing siya sa pakiramdam. And syempre,
how do I communicate that this Justin's look is so harmonious on him. The colors, the tailoring, this leaves, this I don't know, the plants growing on his suit. It just this suits him so damn well. I just cannot stress enough about it. And this earring, I have something similar. I really like this design. It's so minimalistic and it's so elegant and perfect. And he's just stunning.
Yung meaning, yung dam mismo rin na nagko-control sa tubig. Alam mo yung pag meron kang gustong gawin, pag nagawa mo na siya, may another ka na namang gustong gawin. So yung pakiramdam na yun,
bawal na yung na-summon. So, yeah. So, ano mo lang, give your time.
yung sinasabi rin nung buong simula at wakas. Pag natapos mo na yung sinimulan mo, magsisimula ka ulit ng panibago.
That was so serious.
Tawag na tanghal. Sagong. Sagong.
Oh my God, yeah. This is how you sit. This is like this is the pose you're sitting. Like. Okay, I lost my train of thought.
Kasi
And here
parang
comes the
ang tagal
chaos.
na rin namin ulit nag-aral ng bagong choreography since Gento and Crimson and everything. Comeback siya. So parang dapat pag handaan talaga yung magiging choreography ng mismong song. So nung inaral namin siya, akala namin nung una na parang madali lang siyang aralin kasi well, sanay naman talaga kami mag-aral ng choreography. Pero iba na nung inaral namin eh. Especially when Kuya Jay explained every detail, hinimay-himay niya yung steps talaga. Personally for me, naging challenging siya.
I didn't think Stell would be the one that would find it challenging. He's such a great dancer.
Yun. Wapo. Originally, yung parang concept or yung inspiration dito is a real dam, something like a reservoir kung saan mo iniipon yung tubig para may energy ka, meron kang resource pagdating kapag nawala ng kuryente or anything. In a way, yun din yung mga experiences mo in life, iniipin mo siya lahat. And there will be a time that you will use it kasi syempre, you have to use it kapag kailangan mo na. Walang hanggang pag gusto ng mga tao. So,
is this weird, you guys? Or do you see also? Would you agree?
Ng answer sa lahat ng katanungan.
Yung pakiramdam na nahihirapan ka, nagsasuffer ka because you're wanting more. Wala pa yung dam na music na song. Na-imagine na namin na yung
wait. I was gonna talk about something, you guys. Here. Is it only me, or does Pablo really look so organic with this lighter greenish colored eye lenses? It looks like it could be his eyes. It doesn't like obviously look like he's wearing an eye lenses. It looks quite natural on him. I never thought. This thought just occurred to me like, oh, he looks so natural with these green eyes.
And there will be a time that you will use it kasi syempre, you have to use it kapag kailangan mo na. Walang hanggang pag gusto ng mga tao. So, in the end, parang tayo rin yung naghahanap ng answer sa lahat ng katanungan.
Yung pakiramdam na nahihirapan ka, nagsasuffer ka because you're wanting more. Wala pa yung dam na music na song. Na-imagine na namin na yung magiging concept namin is basically ganito. So actually, nauna pa yung concept bago yung kanta. Kakaiba yung setup namin ngayon.
Binibigay talaga namin yung buong passion namin para sa path na ito.
Lagi namin ginagawa yung best namin pagdating sa lahat ng bagay. Pero the question is, ano pa ba yung pwede namin maibigay for the people, for ourselves, to better ourselves? So, yun yung isa sa mga line na gustong-gusto ko kasi that question is something that's really hard to answer. But you will see the solution or yung sagot kapag ginawa mo na yung certain thing. So, yun, pushing yourself to the limits.
the happiness after finishing your hard work. Great job, everyone. Great job, everyone. And I really enjoyed watching it. It was entertaining, insightful, and very interesting. Thank you guys for watching. I see you in my next video. Bye.